How to change page URL on Wix. Hello everyone, welcome back. So if you want to change your page's URL, you're going to open up your Wix website editor and want to go into Wix. We're going to click on design site and proceed with our site design. And I'm not talking about the domain, I'm talking about individual page URLs. So to change those, let's say I'm going to wait for the editor to be loaded up and I can show you guys an example. And on our top, we are going to have our basic homepage that is loaded up, but we're going to be customizing any other page other than your homepage. So we're going to click on the top left where we have our page, or you can just click on pages on the left. And I can retitle a page. For example, I have my booking, or let's say we have our portfolio page, and I can rename this page. And let's say I want it to be called my expression. Let's say I'm being artistic, but I want it to be called my expression in my menu bar, but in the link section, I want it to display my portfolio. So I can click on these three dots, click on SEO. And then in my SEO basics, we have the URL slug where it says portfolio. So if I want to change it to my portfolio, I can do that as well. And we even have advanced SEOs, but this is just how you can simply change your individual page URL. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.